Shanti, Swamiji, can you explain me how to be free from my desire?
How to be free from your desire? First, you need to understand that why you have the desire. These desire really you need or just is out of your habit only. When it is your need, then desire is okay. There is no any problem. But when it's unnecessary, you must delete from your mind. For this, you need the consciousness to be full aware, to be full center, to know that whatsoever you are wanting, whatsoever you are desiring, is really your need or not. And if you understand from very deep understanding from your heart that you don't need this, like people want to drink alcohol, want to take drug, want to smoke cigarette, but this desire going to kill them. This is not going to help them. Everybody know them. But because of the bad habit, still they go for it. If you have desire to dance, if you have desire to laugh, if you have desire to sing, if you have desire to go to walk in forest, in mountain, if you have desire to look the sun and moon in night, hours and hours, if you have desire to sit on the river, bank of the river, and watch the just running water, these desires are beautiful desires. There is nothing wrong in everything. There is good part, there is bad part. If you are intelligent, you choose the good one, and if you are not intelligent, you choose the wrong one. Because of what? You get the wrong result in your life. So if you want to have the good life, you have to desire good, you have to talk good, you have to think good, you have to behave good. Just simply love the good. So take the best and leave the rest.